Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Project 944. If you can tell, we're in the house today. It's pretty cold outside, down in the 20s. I just had a little bit of a snow and ice storm roll through. Didn't get a lot of snow, but got a lot of ice this morning. But I figured today, what we do is give a good update of what I'm kind of hoping to get done for 2018 with both the Porsche and the Silverado, and also open up the Silverado's next mod. So let's get to it. So let's go ahead and start by opening up the next mod for Silverado, which is actually the next thing that's going to get done, probably on the channel, unless it stays this cold forever. But this, if you can see from the paper, is from Motofab Lifts. I paid for everything myself. I got a buddy of mine that said they're pretty decent. Comes with lifetime warranty, so that's what I went with them. But get the box open. There we go. Take a look at what's in here. Alright. What's there? What's here? Here. Alright. 3 different boxes. We'll give a good idea. Alright, first things first. I have this right here. Be a 2.5-inch front leveling kit. Should be for my truck. Let's see if it says anywhere. Well, let's open up the box and go from there. Alright. Alright, so here's pretty much what the leveling kit for the front involves. Got a spacer. And we got some bolts here. Looks simple enough, actually. One thing I like about this is it actually is metal. I've seen some of these, they're plastic. I just don't understand how well that's going to work. But in here, yeah, we've got the spacers. This should be our instructions. Yep. Alright, so in theory, this is a 2.5-inch spacer, so it's actually only 1.66 inches thick. So that's the front, which when I was doing a little research into everything, there are several people saying that if they just put these spacers on, it took the truck over the level point, and it took the front end higher than the rear. And I can't stand that. And so when looking around, I saw they had this kit, which was 2.5-inch front lift with set of 1-inch blocks for the back. Which these blocks, depending on, we're going to do the front first. If it levels the truck out and it's fine, that's the way I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to put the rears on. I got this on a kit through Amazon, so it was actually a whole lot cheaper than what was on Motofab's website. So I'm really not that concerned about it. But again, these blocks are really nice construction, actually. Again, all metal. These, I believe, if I remember correctly, these actually will replace the factory bump stops and should, in theory, effectively raise the rear 1 inch. But that's the blocks with bolts and washers, or nuts and washers. And I believe in this other one, then, should be, yep, new U-bolts. So there you go. That's next mod for the Silverado. I'm hoping to do that. It may not be until it's warmer out. Right now it's middle of January, and here in Indiana it's pretty cold. So be on lookout for that. I'll definitely be able to be posting more updates to things on my Instagram. That is project_944. So if you see videos are pretty quiet, go over there. I usually post there a lot more often, or definitely post there a lot more often than I get videos out. So let's move on to what 2018 is looking like. 2018, for vehicle-wise, obviously, Silverado is going to get a leveling kit. First things first. And I was hoping to start purchasing a lot of the other big parts for the Porsche this year. But as of right now, it's not looking like I can get that. I'm not going to be able to get that done as quickly as I wanted. My house, it's an old house, and I got to put some money into that this spring. But still, I'm hoping next step for that is I still got a couple more parts I need to collect for just the engine. I need to collect the intake manifold, all the bracketry for like an F body, F body Camaro or Trans Am. The bracketry for the alternator, all that stuff. Probably have to switch out, get a different alternator, get a different power steering pump, all that jazz. If I can run the ones I've already got, I'd like to, but I doubt I'm going to be able to. Pretty much other than that, engine-wise, next up for the engine will obviously be the rebuild. But I've decided the best way to do that is I'm actually going to get that rebuilt after I get the main swap kit for the car. I don't want to get the engine rebuilt and then have it sitting around forever. I'd much rather have it sit around right now and then have it get rebuilt right before I'm ready to put it in the car, pretty much. Silverado wise, but I guess going back to the Porsche, basically this year I would like to basically collect all the rest of the engine parts I'll need. That's going to be my goal for this year, and get at least half of the money I need for the actual swap kit itself. For the Silverado, obviously the leveling kit, and if I can come across a good deal, possibly go ahead and spring, get some wheels and tires. I'm also considering just going tires. I haven't decided yet. And along with that, I'm going to get, there's a little dongle thing you can get plug into your OBD2 port that will correct your speedometer for bigger tires. So those are the main goals for the truck: is leveling kit, possibly wheels, tires, and make sure the speedometer is calibrated for those wheels and tires. Porsche, again, engine parts, and get to the halfway point money wise for the swap kit. So this year is probably going to be a little bit quieter on actual build videos, but I'm hoping to kind of do some more, I don't know if I want to say vlog style, but a little bit more vlog style, maybe more like kind of adventure videos, especially with the Silverado. Go out and have some fun with it. If we have another good snow, I want to get out, take some video, do some fun stuff. I should have done that. We had a big snow right around Christmas, and I took the truck out and had a little bit of fun. Got a couple pictures again on my Instagram, but the next big snow we get, I want to kind of do a video out having fun. I think that's going to kind of do it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you didn't like the video, give it a dislike. Let me know how I can improve. And we'll see you guys next time.